Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Learning Earning AI YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to create zip files for your files, whether they are JPG, PSD, or EPS formats, in less than a minute. After that, you can easily upload these zip files to websites like PikBest or PngTree. First, check the description of this video for a link to download a zip file that contains an executable file and its icon. Save this file on your desktop or anywhere you prefer, and then run it. Once you run the program, you will see an interface. Select the folder containing the files you want to zip, and then click on the Select Folder button. Boom! Your files will start converting into zip files. You will see the results showing how quickly the zip files have been generated. You can now check the zip files to see that the content has been zipped with the same names. For instance, JPG files are converted alongside PSD and EPS files, and you will also find standalone JPG files saved as well. This is just the first version 1.0. If you have any suggestions for updates, please comment below, and I will add those features in the next version. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 88% of you have not subscribed yet, so please hit that subscribe button. Your support motivates me to bring more tools for you. Remember, prayers are appreciated. I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Allah Hafiz.